If you've ever tried creating AI videos, then you already know the struggle. You generate images in one tool, animate them in another, create voiceovers somewhere else, add music on a different platform, then spend hours stitching everything together hoping it actually looks professional. And by the end of it all, you've either wasted hours fixing broken workflows or spent over $100 on multiple subscriptions just to create one decent video. That's the biggest problem with AI video creation right now. The tools are powerful, but the workflow is fragmented, expensive, and exhausting. But what if one platform could handle everything? What if you could simply type your idea in plain English and an AI agent could brainstorm it, generate consistent characters, build your storyboard, create cinematic scenes, add narration and music, and give you full editing control all in one place? That's exactly what we're testing today with FLOVA AI. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a professional animated video from scratch using just one prompt. We'll create custom characters, build reusable assets, generate an entire cinematic sequence, edit everything inside the timeline, and I'll also show you one of its most powerful features, Skills, which lets you automate your entire creative workflow. So if you're tired of juggling multiple AI tools and want a faster, smarter way to create high-quality videos, stick around, because this might completely change the way you create content. Without further ado, let's get started.
Welcome. Click on the link in the description or the pinned comment to visit FLOVA AI. FLOVA AI is your personal AI video agent partner. This is an incredible tool where you can actually chat with the AI to create amazing videos. If you click on the plus sign here, you can upload image, audio, video, and even text files. Under the Models section, you will see a wide variety of options. In the Image category, you will find GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, and many other models, including Midjourney version 7. Under Video, it features the latest Seedance 2.0, Seedance 2.0 Fast, Happy Horse, Kling, Vidu, and several others, including Grok AI. For music, it offers Suno and Mureka, and under Narration, you can use 11 Labs and Daobao. Next, let's check the Skills tab. A skill is basically a predefined workflow. For instance, if you want to create a product commercial, there's a perfect skill specifically for that. If you already have your own script, there's another dedicated skill for that as well. Just so you know, you can also create your own custom skills, which I will show you later in this video. Under the Elements section, this is where you can input any specific asset or character you want to feature in your video. I'm going to show you exactly how to create these elements. If you scroll down the home page, you will see videos generated by other creators just like you and me. The quality of the videos generated here is truly amazing. Before we proceed to creating a full video with just a single sentence, let's first go ahead and create the elements. I will be using these elements in this tutorial to maintain consistent characters. So I'll navigate to Elements right here. These are the elements that I created myself earlier. The platform provides existing ones, but I will click on Create New Element right here to start fresh. What I need to do now is type in a description of what I want to create. But first, let me upload a reference image. I have a female avatar image that I want to use and replicate, so I'll go ahead, click on the plus sign, and upload the image. This AI avatar right here is the one I want to use. There it is. This will be my primary reference. Now I'll input my prompt. I'm basically telling the AI to create a professional-grade animated character using the uploaded female reference as the absolute facial and hairstyle blueprint. I want it to preserve the exact shape, facial proportions, eye placement, and every detail. I've fully described what I want the AI to generate, which we will use as an element in the video we're about to create. You can choose a specific model for this, or you can let the AI decide for you. For this example, I prefer GPT Image 2 right here so that the agent uses it for the generation. I'll go ahead and click Send. FLOVA AI will start processing. Based on the instructions I provided, it will generate the element. Let's give it a moment. Our element is done generating. If you look closely, here it is, a beautifully generated character. If you like the outcome, you can go ahead and generate any other characters you want to feature. If you don't like it or need adjustments, you can always ask the AI to edit anything you want. It provides several options. For example, you can select Generate Full Character Sheet, which will create front, back, and side views. Let's have the AI generate this. This prompt tells it to create a 3-view character turnaround sheet. This is perfect because it gives the AI a complete understanding of how our character looks from all angles, which is incredibly useful for consistency. As you can see, the 3-view character sheet is now ready. The results are truly incredible. You can simply go ahead and start building your scenes with this character. Before we do that, I want to create another element for her companion. So I will go back and click on New Element. I will describe the companion I want the AI to create. For this one, I am not going to use a reference image. I will simply select the model I want, GPT Image 2, of course, and click Send. This will generate the companion asset for our video. The companion dog is done generating, and as you can see, the quality is fantastic. Now I will return to the dashboard on the home page. Here, I will input the prompt for the full video I want to create. As you can see, I'm instructing the AI to generate professional cinematic animated shots in a 16:9 aspect ratio. I have basically described the entire scene I want in a single detailed sentence. Over here, I can select the model for image generation. I will select GPT Image 2. You can experiment with any of the available models, but I prefer this one. For the video model, you can select Seedance 2.0 or any of the others. I highly recommend Seedance 2.0 because it's a powerful new model that produces excellent motion. For the audio, both the music and the narration, I will let the AI decide for me. One of the greatest advantages here is FLOVA's ability to handle a massive number of prompts, completely taking over the AI trial and error process for you. Keep in mind, if you leave these options blank, the AI will brainstorm, test variations behind the scenes, and automatically select the absolute best models to use for your images, video, and audio. It analyzes the story and the style of the video you were generating to make the optimal choice. Now I need to attach the elements we created earlier. I will input the Pixar-Style character we just made, and I will also select the companion dog. These exact characters will now be featured consistently throughout the video. You also have the option to select a specific skill workflow. However, the AI is intelligent enough to choose the best skill automatically, so I will leave it as is. Finally, I will click on Generate, and FLOVA AI will start planning the video production. Once the storyboard and shot list are ready, they will appear right here in the chat. The agent is currently planning the sequence, taking into consideration our prompt and the elements we provided. Let's give it a moment to finish. Here are the key elements. The video specs, the storyboard, and the shot breakdown have all been constructed. The AI has intelligently built a 7-shot story structure for us. This is incredibly efficient. The audio layers and pacing have been planned. Now the AI is asking how we want to proceed with building the virtual assets. It gives us options to generate character reference images first, generate all assets in full pipeline, or adjust the storyboard. You can review the storyboard, and if there's a shot you don't like, simply ask the AI to revise it. For this workflow, let's select Generate All Assets in Full Pipeline so that it handles the references and generates the full video shots sequentially. I'll go ahead and click on that option. Now, FLOVA AI is generating all the assets, video clips, and audio layers simultaneously. The media assets are populating right here in real time. The first scene is done, and it perfectly matches our description.
This initial shot is 12 seconds long, and the remaining scenes are currently generating below it. Let's preview this first scene to see the results. Wow, that looks stunning! It's continuing to generate the remaining scenes, and once they're finished, it will automatically stitch the entire sequence together into a cohesive timeline. Excellent! All the individual scenes are done generating and have been added to the timeline editor. One of the best things about this tool is that even though the AI agents do the heavy lifting, the new version gives you incredibly advanced and precise control of the final video. You can edit everything directly in the timeline. You can trim clips, adjust pacing, and fine-tune the audio layers that were generated. For even greater control, you can now directly edit the storyboard text to alter the narrative, and you can freely customize your workspace panel size to perfectly match your editing style. If a specific shot isn't exactly what you wanted, you can click on it and edit the text prompt to modify it. You can even have the AI completely regenerate a single scene without affecting the rest of your timeline. The interface is very intuitive. You can easily drag and drop clips to rearrange the sequence. Once you're done editing and the video flows smoothly, simply go up to the top right and click Export. During export, you have the option to download the video file, a PR file, or all files. The PR file option is fantastic because it allows you to import the timeline directly into Adobe Premiere Pro for advanced editing. Once you select your format, just hit Export. But before I show you the final rendered result, I want to highlight one more incredibly powerful feature on this platform, the Skills section. You can click on Skills here and go to More, or you can easily access the Skills library directly from the homepage sidebar. This feature allows you to define and save a custom workflow. You can preset which models to use, which visual style or character to apply, and even default fonts, so you don't have to rebuild the exact same setup every time you start a project. This is an absolute game changer for professional creators. By building a custom one-click skill, you encode your creative expertise into an automated workflow. You can accumulate these skills for reuse, making it incredibly fast to produce consistent video series. To set this up, just click on New Skill right here. Then you provide custom instructions for every step of the agent's pipeline: process planning, asset analysis, storyboard design, media generation, prompt writing, and video editing rules. That's how you set up your own customized skill. They also feature a library of pre-built community-added skills that you can instantly apply to your workflow. So guys, what are you waiting for? Stop paying over $100 a month for a fragmented AI stack. FLOVA AI gives you access to over 20 elite models, including Sora, ChatGPT, Midjourney, and many more. It's your entire creative studio and editing suite rolled into one. For just $19 a month, you get professional-grade production, artistic generation, and timeline editing seamlessly integrated into a single workflow. Save your money, slash your production time, and stop juggling multiple subscriptions. It's time to let your focus return to what truly matters: your creativity. Sign up using the link in my description to register, and you'll get 200 credits immediately, plus 200 free credits every week you log in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Memories shine brightest when shared with those we love.